Hi, my name is Henry Morgan. I'm the Quality and Test Manager here at Shellab Manufacturing. This video today, we're going to explain how to operate Shellab vacuum ovens. In our family of ovens, the 1425, 1445, 1465, all utilize a Watt-low controller as the main heart of the system. We'll walk through how to set this up and how to get your oven up and operating. So let's take a look at the controller. Right off the bat, you'll see that we've got 6 buttons on the right-hand side and a digital display on the left-hand side. Let's look at the display first. Most obvious, you see 2 sets of large numbers. The top number in red indicates the temperature that's actually inside the chamber at any point in time. The lower number in green indicates the set point as we've programmed into our unit to get it to operate at. All ovens are set to run in degrees Celsius. To look a little lower, we're going to see 2 sets of numbers indicate a zone and a channel. You can ignore these are not used in these ovens, but the displays will still light up. If we look a little farther over, we see a small set of numbers of 1 through 8. From the controller standpoint, these indicate active outputs or inputs to the controller that it needs to operate at. As set up by Shellab Engineering, only zone 1 is operating. As the controller calls for heat, you'll see the light come on and off as it starts to control the oven at a particular temperature set point. A little farther over, you see little easy buttons, and these just indicate that a profile has been activated and operating. A little bit above that, you're going to see a little squiggle line, which is a ramp indicator, which also is another indication that a profile ramp is up and running. Let's take a look at the buttons. Most predominantly are these big red buttons, Easy 1 and Easy 2. These can be set for different functions. However, how they're set up by Shellab Engineering is Easy 1 is programmed to start and stop a profile. Easy 2 is not used. In the center, we've got a button at the top that looks like an infinity key, and the one at the bottom is the little arrows. These are used for program modes of setting up the controller or entering in profiles. On the far side are the up and down arrows. These are used for 2 different indications. Well, first and most obvious is that they're used to change the temperature of the set point. In a programming mode, if we've gone into one to activate to set the parameters of the controller, then they'll also use this to advance our way through different program options. If we look, we push up the arrows. You push and hold, it'll just manually clock through. It's going to go in 1 degree increments. You hold it a little longer and you see that it toggles now in 10 degree increments. 220 is the maximum set point for the ovens. Same on the down. Push and hold, it'll go 1 degree at a time and then jump to 10 degree increments. As these come from the factory, they are set for 0 degrees. All right, so let's set our oven. So you've taken the oven out of your box, you've got it set up on your bench. All you need to do is turn it on. Make sure your over temperature is set to maximum so it doesn't interfere with the controller. We're going to push the up arrow. Let's set it for 100 degrees. We push and hold. We get close to 100. We'll set it. It's now operating here just a second. The controller's thinking about it. It's going to kick on. Our heating activated lights come on as well as the zone 1. The oven is now heating its way up to 100 degrees. So that's it. Easy. You're set up and operating. Your oven will now heat to 100 degrees. So for more information about Shellab products, check our website out at www.shellab.com. Thanks for watching.